How to layer your skincare products for beginners. If you're a newbie to the skincare game and you're looking for a simple but effective way to layer your product and you're very confused about which products should come first and which products do not combine, then this video is definitely for you. Hey Skylers, I'm Sky or Belle, a human of color passionate about skincare solutions for humans and humans of color. Shall we? Hey babes, today's video is going to be slightly different. As you can see from the setup, I want to get comfortable with you guys, and I literally just want to be more comfortable and legit have a chat with you guys. My bestie is talking about skincare. You've asked me for your skincare advice and I'm willing to help you. I think today we should talk about layering your skincare products. I think that's a good place to start because I know you finally listened to all my complaints and all my rants about you having a skincare routine and you finally decided, right? So where do you start? The first thing, I believe this one is common knowledge, is the fact that you need to cleanse. That's the step one. And I don't want to hear anything about me wearing makeup. Gorgeous girls always do their makeup, so we move. So the first thing you have to do obviously is to cleanse. Morning and evening is standard practice. There are people out there who claim you should not wash your face in the morning. I'm still with the school of thought that you should wash your face in the mornings, especially if you're acne prone and oily skin. We easily break out, so you do need to wash a bit more regularly. The choice of cleanser is where the trick is in, because if your cleanser is very harsh, that's where you encounter problems. Other than that, cleansing twice a day should not be a problem or an issue. And I use actives at night. I use retinol and other actives at night, so I don't know why I wouldn't wash my face in the morning to apply my morning skincare when my skin would be all greasy and everything. So if you're oily acne prone, please just stick to washing morning and evening. When you finish washing in the morning, you tone, serum, moisturize, SPF, and you go about your business. If you're picking any skincare products, you have to ask yourself two important questions. One, what's my skin type? Two, what is my skin concern? Are you acne prone? Do you have redness, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, sunburn, wrinkles, fine lines? What's your skin issue or skin concern? And then, what is your skin type? Am I dry, oily, combination, normal? that would influence the type of product you pick. So for me, I'll use myself as an example. I'm oily, combination, acne prone. I like to pick products that are gentle, not too stripping. I don't want to dry out my skin because of the acne, but at the same time I need something that will cleanse me properly because I produce a lot of oil. So have you seen the fine balance? I want to speak to you one-on-one, like my online bestie that you are. Don't be alarmed if I call you babes or Skylar. That's our nickname, okay? It's our personal secret. And babes goes for both guys and girls, so yes. Let me start off by saying there's no one product or one ingredient that is a magic potion that can cure all your problems and give you glass skin. Skincare is a collaborative effort, so if anybody tells you that you only need just one singular product to do everything, that's a red flag right there. So you do need a couple of products in your regimen. Doesn't mean you need a 12-step or 15-step routine, but I just wanted to know that there's no one magic product out there that is able to do every single thing for your skin. The nighttime routine, literally babes, that's the most important routine of them all. In the evening, cleanse, tone, exfoliate, moisturize, retinol, slugging. If you do that, and pretty much you're set. Mainly because number one, when you go out during the day, you're exposed to the pollution in your city. Depends on where you live. Sweat, makeup, dirt, sunscreen, all these things accumulate on the face. So your nighttime routine is when you actually get the opportunity to take off all those dirt, oil, makeup and pollution from the day. It's also a time where you can allow your skin to enjoy actives and rejuvenate itself. So now that you're back home in a controlled environment, it's best to give your skin a clean canvas to receive the active ingredients and all those good products that would help you to, treat your skin, reset it for the next day. So now you're back home from your day's activities, you take off your wig, you take off your bra, you're instantly tempted to sit on your couch, bring out your phone, check your email, check your messages, go on TikTok, spend 2-3 hours there. Next thing you know, it's midnight. You are so exhausted and you fall asleep in your makeup. Once you walk into the door, just head straight into the bathroom. That way you take off your makeup, you shower, and then you come out, you do your nighttime routine, and you give your skin a bit of time to really absorb the product and not just wipe everything off the moment you lay down to sleep on your pillowcase. The first step in your nighttime routine is to cleanse your face. This is the most important step, if I'm being completely honest with you, because if you don't take off all the pollution and dirt on your face, every other skincare product you're applying is on a dirty canvas. My mom would always say your face ends at your nipple. The same applies for skincare. So if you applied your makeup from your face to your neck or wherever to your chest, make sure you cleanse all the way down. And that's it for my morning and evening routine. This is how I layer my products. With this routine, you are literally set to go as a beginner. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. I will see you in my next one.